In this video, we're going to log into a Windows 10 system and install Terraform. Just to verify, we go to the control panel, go to Systems and Security, go to Systems, and notice that we have Windows 10 Home or Professional, either one works. In this example, we're running inside of a VMware instance. To install Terraform, we can do a search for Terraform install Windows. And the first hit we get is the Terraform.io installation instructions. This is probably the best place to go. Decoding DevOps is another place that has a good video that describes how to do it specifically on Windows. If you look at the Terraform.io, it highlights more Linux and Mac OS than it does Windows, and you have to scroll down to get to the Windows 64-bit download. You download it, it downloads a zip file. You have to open it and extract it to extract the Terraform binary for Windows. In this example, we're going to extract it into the downloads directory for the user that we're logged in as. Now, the binary executes fine, no problems at all. What we need to do is add this to our path. So we go to the Windows Start button, and we can either type in the command console, because that's the way you update environment variables, or we can type in environment variables, which will take us to the control panel and allow us to go and edit the environment variables. In this example, we select path, we select edit, and then we're going to add a new path. We're going to browse to where the Terraform binary got extracted to, which is in the downloads directory, the Terraform binary directory. And when we click OK, we've updated the path so that when we open a command tool or a PowerShell, we get access to the Terraform binary. Now, if you look at the Decoding DevOps, it actually goes through the instructions on what we just did. I'm not necessarily promoting this website. It's just a good step-by-step screenshot of what's going on and how to do a variety of things to get Terraform up and running. The last thing that you do, according to this website, is you go into a PowerShell or a command tool and type in Terraform version, and it comes back and tells you what version of Terraform that you've installed. In this example, we're opening PowerShell. We're just going to get the host name to make sure we're on the right computer, and then type in Terraform version, and it should come back and give us version 13. Which it does. And then if we type in Terraform by itself, it shows all the commands that are available to us with the command line.